Meaning of first footer.
First footer.
First footer.
First footer.
First footer. First footer is a Scottish custom in which the first person to enter a household on New Year's Day brings good luck for the coming year. Traditionally, the first footer should be a tall, dark-haired man carrying coal, bread, and whiskey as symbols of prosperity. By entering the household before anyone else, the first footer is believed to drive out evil spirits and bring in good luck. This tradition is still observed in some parts of Scotland, although it has become less common in recent years due to changing social norms and cultural influences.